to get their shot, but some tactics might not be working. Monaco and Associates held a vaccine clinic at Big Gauge Shelter House in Topeka, but organizers say they offered raffles and prize money to anyone getting the shots. And however, with 30 minutes remaining at the clinic, not a single person came out to be vaccinated. So despite those incentives, it didn't bring the crowds. But this isn't deterring them from trying to encourage more people to get shots.
If we do have the ability to do more, we are absolutely willing to put them together. If people wanted to contact us and have us help them in their congregate setting or anything like that, we are absolutely willing to do it.
And she says they hope more people will be willing to get the shot as the FDA is on the verge of approving more vaccines. And joining me now is Matt All, President and CEO at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas. Thanks for being here this morning.
It's great to be here.
So the Labor Day weekend is quickly approaching, and along with the Kansas Department of Health and Environment, plus the Kansas Turnpike Authority, you guys are working to get more people vaccinated as they head out of town. So tell us more about that.
Yeah, we are. So at 3 different Turnpike rest stops on Friday, September 3rd, we're going to offer absolutely free COVID vaccinations. And we'll have volunteers there from Blue Cross. We'll be able to help people make it really easy. So it'll be at the Topeka, Matfield Green, and Belle Plaine rest stops. And Belle Plaine is just south of Wichita. It's from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Absolutely free. You don't have to have insurance. We're going to try to make it really easy and get a lot of people.
Okay, and how are you guys advertising? Are there signs on the highway trying to get people to stop?
There will be. So you know there are those lighted signs when you're out of the Turnpike. They should let you know that you can get a free COVID vaccination at those rest stops, and we're just trying to get the word out between now and then.
And now this isn't the first mobile clinic, correct? There's been others, and how have you seen the success in that?
Yeah, we did one a couple of weeks ago. Some different rest stops were involved then, and it went really well. We got more than 50, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you think about how the virus spreads, getting 50 people vaccinated can make a huge difference.
Have there been any stories coming out of this, whereas like truck drivers just stopping by and pulling over? Or?
Absolutely. One of the most emotional ones was a truck driver who just had not been able to find time to get a vaccination. And she pulled over, and when she was in line, she had tears in her eyes, and she was really grateful to be able to protect herself and her family.
And what do you want to tell people ahead of the Labor Day weekend? We have this free vaccine clinic for them. What would you say to get them in?
Yeah, we could not make this easier. It is absolutely free. And for a lot of people, they want to get the shot, but it's tough for them to find time. This will be as easy as it can possibly be for you.
And are you guys thinking of any future vaccine clinics?
We're going to see how it goes. I mean, this has been a great partnership with the state of Kansas and with the Turnpike. And so if this goes well again, we'll do it again.
All right, Matt, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Well, from shelter dog to search and rescue, a local dog is making a big name for himself.